What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. This is going to be the third video for the pinball graphics. I already did Spider-Man and Civil War. If you guys are interested in seeing the graphics on those boards, I'll put it in the description box below. But today we're going to take a look at A-Force, so let's get into it.
Mess with. Cosmic Cube is the property of Hydra. No, it mustn't fall into the wrong hands. What in the world has happened? You destroyed the Cosmic Cube. In the name of Hydra, I should just finish you now. Wait, we don't know what's going on. Look around.
It seems like New York, but look at all those Soviet signs. When the Cosmic Cube shattered, did it rewrite reality?
You're right. It is strange. I'll refrain from hurting you for now. Maybe you can be of some use to me until we get out of here.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. That was the graphics on the Marvel Pinball A-Force. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This is probably one of my least favorite boards. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And like I said, if you guys are interested in the Spider-Man or Civil War boards and you want to see the graphics on those, go ahead, look in the description box. I already got videos on those. Check those out. I'll post more as the week goes on. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.